All right, guys. So now we're gonna go to the club of San Jose's airport. We've never been here, so we're gonna see how comfortable it is. But
So this is the club at San Jose,
Gotcha.
California airport. You have your lounge areas. You got your bar. Oh, soda machines. Oh. Hot water. Yeah. So here's the men's bathroom. I'm recording because I checked before I came in, make sure nobody was in here. But it's pretty nice.
just look at the boys. They look crazy comfortable over there. They got their snacks, tablets, the adult drinks. Oh, we needed this, right?
Yeah, we did.